Hi. So how long have you been working on this for?
It's a bit shame that she already has a job, because I'd love to hire her.
So once it's all snazzy and ready to go, you're going to be going to the UK to discover some great beers?
To road trip.
To road trip.
Yes.
Good luck.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Zadnjič smo imeli v delavnici visokega gosta po centimetrih, Jana Plestenjaka, ki nam je naredil eno dodatno luknjico na pločevini. Tokrat pa imamo najvišjega gosta po protokolu, takoj za angleško kraljico, britansko ambasadorko, gospo Sophie Honey. Kako se bo v delavnici znašla dama, ki je bolj vajena diplomatskega parketa?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Wow.
Special Slovenian flowers. Do you know nagel?
They look like carnations. Thank you very much.
And from oldest Slovenian craft brewery.
Oh, thank you. Wonderful.
Do you drink beer?
I do. Yes, lovely. Thank you.
Okay, welcome to our house garage where magic happened.
I'm looking forward to seeing.
Maybe you know this guy?
Oh.
It's Dylan.
Hi. Hi, Dylan.
And the main star is there behind.
Oh, okay. Let's go see.
And
He's not talking about me.
the main
Hi.
magician.
Pleased to meet you.
Sophie, hi. How soon are you driving? It looks like there's still quite a lot of work to do.
Yeah, we're hoping to have it finished by May 1st.
Okay.
We still have a lot of work to do, that's true, but I've got 4 guys now that will be working on the car, so it's going to go a bit faster than we did until now.
Okay, and I'm going to help you today.
Yeah, hopefully.
Okay, I'll do my best.
But we're not going to torture you too much, because I don't want to cause any trouble between Slovenia and UK. So.
Well, my family did have a VW when I was a kid. We used to go on holiday every summer, but I'm not sure I learned that much about fixing it.
I'll guide you through it.
Okay.
Hi.
Mogoče veš, kdo je ona?
Ja,
Ok. Z kjer države?
z Anglije.
Ok, z Velike
Ne, z Velike Britanije.
Ok.
Ok, ja. Dobar.
And she's always eating something. Because we are always taping.
Dobra ideja.
Ja.
Jaz tudi.
Ja, si.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Danes smo gor dali biste briče, ki smo ga popravili, pa tale prvi desen blatnik, da bomo lahko pol mi šli naprej okoli avta z drugimi stvarmi. So this is one of the original parts from this car that we've actually managed to save, because they're really hard to get new ones, or practically impossible. So I've actually had to manufacture the lower part from scratch, because it was completely gone. And we've managed to repair the upper part.
So you found this van in the forest?
No, it was actually in a river.
In a river?
Yeah,
Oh.
it sat there for a quarter of a century almost.
Wow. Okay.
These sort of fasteners, and we're just gonna put them through and tighten them up, and that's it.
I think I can manage.
I think so.
Well, it's my first time doing car mechanics, but I think I've got some good guidance, so I think it'll be fine. Do I need these gloves, or shall I just take them off?
Yeah, well, it's so you don't get dirty. It's probably
But I
easier.
can wash my hands after, can't I?
Because
I think
Matej
it'd be
said that
easier.
we need to glove you up and do
no,
all the precautions to
I
keep
feel like
you
with the
safe.
operation, yeah. I think
Yeah,
it's a bit
okay.
easier.
Just put them in from the
Okay.
top. It doesn't need to go all the way. Just try and push it in, wiggle it in a little bit. A bit.
Ah, quite.
Yeah, it should go.
So how long have you been working on this for?
On this car, or
This car?
well, it's almost a year now, I think.
Wow.
Perfect.
Okay.
I think we're done.
Oh, very good. I'm just getting into it.
It's a bit shame that she already has a job, because I'd love to hire her.
Well, you know, if it doesn't work out at the embassy.
She's
yeah.
actually faster and easier to guide than my guys, so. Are you following the shows that we're producing and stuff?
Not yet, but I better do.
Yeah.
And I
You have some catching up to do.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I
This
hear.
is the 40th episode, I think, or 41.
Okay. So once it's all snazzy and ready to go, you're going to be going to the UK to discover some great beers, I hear,
Yes.
and bring them back.
Yes, are you going with us? What, back home?
I'll have to check if I can get the time, but I'd love to.
That would be actually nice if it's doable.
Yeah, we need some local
Normally I
diamonds,
go
you
with
know.
EasyJet, but yeah, it's very tempting, I have to say. Yeah, thanks for having me to help you with the van. I can still see there's still quite some work to do. But anyway, I bought you a little gift
All right.
to help with your eventual travels. When you get to the UK and you do some really good tasting. So,
Well,
shall I give this to you?
we open
Go
it.
around, seeing as you're doing the
We're
hard work.
opening it
Anything?
when we come to England.
Okay,
Can we open it now?
you can open it now.
It wouldn't last until England.
Yay, glasses! Oh, that is great. Čakaj, da pogledam, če imamo kakšen angleški pir še. Imamo. Here's the one. Ladies first.
That's good. Thank you.
Okay, it's early in the morning.
Yeah. Cheers. Na
To-
zdravje.
It's a road trip.
To road trip.
Yes.
Good luck.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thanks for having me to fix the Beer Bulli. I have to say it's a bigger project, more ambitious project than I realised after the 20 years it's spent in the river. But the guys are making great progress, and I hope I helped a little bit today. I can't wait to see when it's all fixed with its colours, going to the UK to find some beer and then come back and having some here with you guys. Thank you.
Torej, danes nas je obiskala angleška veleposlanica, kar obisk ne. Je pa točno taka, kar bi si človek želel. Preprosta, zabavna, komunikativna, skratka top.
Ha! Dobili smo povabilo, da se s kombijem oglasimo na britanskem otoku in naredimo turnejo po njihovih pivovarnah in pubih. Kdo bi lahko zavrnil kaj takšnega? Imamo pa tudi povabilo za vse vas. V četrtek in petek imamo v Mercatorju degustacijo britanskih piv, da izberemo najboljše za Beer Bullija. Kdo se javi? Vsi žejni, podrobnosti najdete na našem Facebooku. Pohitite s prijavo, število pivcev je omejeno.